All right, welcome to the channel. Welcome back. It's been a little while since I posted a vlog, almost 2 months actually. Yeah, I have been maybe more than 2 months now I think about it. But anyway, I've been super busy, unfortunately. My day job got super nuts, and I've been gallivanting across the globe doing my day job as a project manager for a large corporation. I travel internationally a lot, and I've been in Singapore, and then I've been to the Maldives to execute some different events that we do. And it's been a lot of fun, but I'm excited to get back to doing some vlogging and get back to this little community here on YouTube. So we're going to have some more content coming up very soon. So this is just a checkpoint to talk about where to go with this vlog, because up until this point, it's been kind of a hobby for me. I want to see where I'm going to evolve with it. I started this off as part of my sabbatical when I took time off of work this summer to do adventure videos, traveling around the country, where I did like 7,000 miles, 6 weeks of road tripping, overlanding, a lot of just really cool experiences. And I want to continue that. And I also want to see where I can grow and where I can go from here. So what kind of content do you want to see on the channel? Are you satisfied with seeing the adventure videos and you know, camp videos and all that kind of thing? Do you want to see more maybe gear reviews, whether it be, you know, off-road truck focused reviews, or maybe camp gear, or what have you? That kind of focus. I think I'm probably going to do a combination of that stuff. So, you know, some travel, camp type videos, off-roading videos, and then maybe occasionally do some gear reviews and whatnot. But if the community wants to see anything in particular, I'm happy to read the comments and see what I can try and produce some content on for everybody. You know, if someone wants to see a Raptor rig walk or Raptor you know, review after my 1.5 years of ownership, I can do that. So yeah, it'd be really cool to hear what everybody wants to know and hear more about. But moving forward, we do have some cool content coming up. I finished my sabbatical series, so I'll have 3 more videos from the sabbatical series to post in the coming weeks. We went to Moab, and I tooled around Moab a bit while I was down there, did some cool trails and saw some sights and did some awesome photography. I went to Arizona after that and did the trail from Flagstaff, Arizona to the south rim of the Grand Canyon with a group of off-roaders from a community called Southwest Raptor Runs, which was a bunch of cool folks that I got to meet and do a 3-day, 2-night camp with to the Grand Canyon. It was super great, so that was a cool experience. And then on the way back, I stopped in Lake Powell, camped for a night, and then ended up towing a bunch of cars out of Lake Powell the next day. And then finally, I have another video that I did after my sabbatical. In the middle of the fall, I took a trip to Mojave to meet up with that same crew from Arizona, Southwest Raptor Runs, and we did the Mojave Trail and another 2-night, 3-day run through the trail, which was super awesome. Probably one of the most fun trails I've done in the Raptor was the Mojave Trail. So I'm really excited to share that content with you guys, and excited to hear more about what you want to see on the channel. But until then, I have a little bit of a montage to share with you on what's to come on the channel in the weeks to come. And please share your comments below what you want to see more of. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, you're in. Whoa. That's a lot of echo. I'm the only one here right now.
What does that do?
Yeah, buddy! For spooky cave experience. Cooking by daylight, who knew?